Suffering from high blood pressure? Follow these 6 steps to get rid of it naturally. 1. Eat low-sodium diet. Eating too much salt raises the amount of sodium in your blood, which disturbs the sodium and potassium balance in your body. Therefore, salt intake should be monitored when managing blood pressure. However, this is not limited to the salt added while cooking or while consuming food. Do remember that most packaged and processed food items like chips, pickles, papadum, sauces, bread also contain a high amount of salt. Hence, plan your diet accordingly and keep a check on your salt intake. 2. Choose potassium-rich foods. Potassium in our blood help in lowering blood pressure levels. By including more fruits and vegetables in your diet, like bananas, muskmelon, apricots, dark green vegetables, mushrooms, you will increase your potassium levels, which eventually helps to restore the delicate sodium-potassium balance in your blood. 3. Focus on fibrous foods. According to one of the research, having fiber-rich diet aid in reducing high blood pressure. Fiber helps in balancing your systolic and diastolic pressure, i.e. your upper value and lower value in blood pressure readings. Fiber-rich foods that you can easily include in your diet are whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables. Get more information on healthy foods that make you full. 4. Follow an exercise regime. Risk of high blood pressure increases with age, but regular exercising can make a big difference. Doing 30 minutes of workout at least 5 days a week will keep you healthy as well as manage your blood pressure naturally. The following are some of the best exercises that can keep that pressure off. Running, climbing stairs, swimming, cycling, jogging, walking. 5. Keep yourself hydrated. It is important to increase water intake if you are hypertensive. This is because water helps in removing toxins from the body and also helps in restoring the sodium balance in the blood. So, if you really want to lower the numbers of your blood pressure in a healthy way, start drinking 10 to 12 glasses of water a day. Drop high blood pressure below 120/80 in 9 minutes, right now, right where you're sitting. Link in the description box. 6. Practice deep breathing techniques. One of the easiest ways to lower blood pressure is by doing deep breathing exercises. While you inhale and exhale, your nervous system calms down further. This reduces stress and your blood pressure level comes back within the normal range. Doing this on a daily basis for 10 to 15 minutes would definitely show positive results. Drop high blood pressure below 120/80 in 9 minutes, right now, right where you're sitting. Link in the description box.